making progress, good things go slow. And I'm no saint, I fall and you pick me up again. You got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing something very different. So one of my friends on Instagram just sent me a picture. Well, she sent me a message just saying, well, she didn't say much, she just said, hey, this look. So I was just like, okay. And I did got inspired by the picture quite a lot because it's such a minimalistic look, but it has to be done so well. So because if there is no space for error in this kind of look. So this is the look. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'll put a picture somewhere here anyway so you can see. It's done, it's on a Bollywood actress, Kareena Kappor, and this is exactly the kind of look which people think is like a no makeup look. And when I saw it, it just looked so effortless, but at the same time so perfect. And I just thought, why not? Let's just give myself a challenge and recreate this look. I'm so happy about. Like literally, it's looking so sluttery. Like I can even leave the house looking like this and it's gonna look really appropriate. So if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video. As always, all the products will be mentioned in the description box below. And once again, thank you so much for all the people who have recently joined my YouTube and recently following me on Instagram as well. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and the notification bell, so every time I'll post a video you'll get a notification. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all, take care, bye.
Hey my lovelies, so for this look we are going to begin with the brows, and for brows I'm using the Korean brand brow pencil, and the brand is called Etude House. I really like this brow pencil because it kind of give you the full brow effect but in more of a natural way, instead of like you cannot tell if you're wearing a brow product because it's so soft, and even though its shade is dark brown, but the finish is really natural. Absolutely loved it. For foundation I'm using Dior Makeup's Dior Makeup Backstage foundation, and my shades are 1 neutral and 3 neutral mixed together. For the color correcting I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome color corrector in shade orange. I didn't wanted too many layers for this look. That's why I'm doing a bit of a color correcting, so I don't have to go too much with my foundation to cover all my hyperpigmentation or any discoloration or anything like that. Now I'm just putting a first layer of my foundation. I'm not gonna lie, I went a little heavy hand with my first layer because I just didn't want, as I said, I didn't want to put too many layers for this particular look. So I'm just going to blend this with my beauty blender. You guys know I love my beauty blender. I always 9 times out of 10 I'm always using the beauty blender instead of the brushes because I just feel like it does the best job. For my brow bone I'm using my Hard Candy Glamflouge full heavy duty concealer, and this is in shade Extra Light. Again, as you all know, this is one of my most favorite products. It's hardly ever get changed, and I wanted a really defined brow definition for this look, like a really brighten areas everywhere. That's why I'm just did the shaping on top of my brow as well. Usually I don't highlight that area, but I did. So now I'm applying a second layer of my foundation, but only on the area where I thought I need extra coverage. For concealer I'm using QUO Cosmetics concealer, and this is the 16-hour one. This shade is a little bit too yellow for me. I only ordered it like online, and I just thought this shade would be closest to my skin, but it's a little yellow for me. I have to order a lighter shade to mix them together or something. But to brighten up my face and the area I really wanted to be brightened, I'm using my Hard Candy concealer also because it's quite light in shade, but mixed with the e.l.f. one it looked pretty good. So I'm just applying this on my high points and on my T-zone, and I'm just going to blend this with my beauty blender. And I'm going pretty like the one thing I will have to say is, even though Hard Candy concealer is really super thick concealer, it doesn't budge, but it does blend really well. It blends really well, and I'm using that as my eye primer also. And I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend this out, but later in the video I've added another layer, and for that one I use my Sigma 3D precision brush to blend it. For the bronzer or contour, you can say, well, looking at her picture you can't really tell if she had a contour, so I still went with a little bit of a bronzer, and I used the Armani Beauty Summer Liquid Bronzer, and this is in shade, which one is it, 100, and that would be medium. It gives you a really nice glow on your face without looking like you're wearing a harsh contour or you're wearing too much bronzer or something. This formula is liquid to powder anyway. When you apply it, it's liquid and literally turns into powder. To set my eyes and all the other rest of my face, I've used Milani Cosmetics translucent setting powder, and this is in shade number 01, which is light to medium. And if you haven't seen my last video, which is my one brand full face makeup and drugstore one, and that's for Milani, I've used a lot of new Milani Cosmetics product in there, so you can get check a review. I'll link the video somewhere here. For highlighter, I'm using my Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. Again, this is one of the product I've used it first time, so I'll give you the reviews about this one on my Insta stories. For eyes, I'm going with Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette, and I'm picking up the shade Free Spirit, and I'm just literally packing this all over my eye. And this is going to be our eye look, the whole done. For lower lash line, I'm using Milani Cosmetics dark brown eye pencil, and I'm tight lining that very close to my lash line, and I'm going to smudge this out with my pencil brush. I haven't applied any other colors because you don't need to. It's just you want everything to look super natural and super effortless, hence the reason I went with a lot of cream products. For the waterline, I'm using Revlon's eye pencil, and this is in shade number Nude 005, and could be the cheat pencil as well. For the mascara, I'm using Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Looking at Kareena's picture, it doesn't look like she's wearing falsies, but her lashes are super fluttery. I think it's just the mascara, a couple of coats, and that's exactly what I did. And Benefit Roller Lash is pretty good for that kind of look, because it gives your own natural lashes super flutteriness and like you're wearing falsies. For lips, I'm using Jouer Cosmetics lip topper in shade Skinny Dip. One of the perfect shade for this look. It's so close to what she's wearing. It looks exactly, looking at the picture, it looks like exactly like the picture. To set everything in place, I'm using Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray, and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Take care. Love you a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.